Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back to my returning viewers and subscribers. Do I like that intro? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not make it your last. Kindly hit the subscribe button that you see down below and join the family. Okay, it's all fun in this place. You're not going to regret it. Okay, please make sure you're subscribed before you exit this video. And also, before we move forward, kindly hit the like button that you see below, because I know you're going to enjoy this video. So why waste any more time? Yeah, I'm waiting. Kindly hit the like button down below. Okay, all right, now let's move on. Now to my amazing returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I mean, I love you guys so much. You do not know how much I appreciate your support so far. Please make sure you hit the like button right now. Okay, so in today's video, as you can tell by the title, it's a life update. And yes, I have a huge life update to share. And yes, I'm just going to go right into the video. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so what do I want to say? You guys, I had planned out how I was going to do this video, but I didn't want to write it down because I wanted it to just flow. So I don't even remember how I rehearsed it. Okay guys, we're going to go right into the video and let us address the elephant in the room. As you can tell, we have a new background. It looks like there's been a switch. Yes, there's been a switch. Your girl has relocated. Your girl has moved base. I've shifted base. I have jackpot. Whatever you want to call it. Whatever you want to call it, you guys. Join me and silent scream, you guys. Yeah. So that is the life update. That's the major life update. Yes, your girl has shifted base. I am currently relocated from Nigeria to Canada. Yes. So, in case you're new here, I originally used to create content all the way from Nigeria, and now I will be creating content from my newfound land, Canada. Yes guys, so that is a life update. I just recently landed, and I'm going to be sharing all things travel prep. I'm going to be sharing my experience with my PR story, my relocation journey. I'm going to be sharing all of those. I'm also going to be sharing the travel vlog. You guys, I've watched a bazillion of travel vlogs on YouTube, and I'm so happy, I'm so grateful that I'm finally going to be able to share my own, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm so excited to have you guys see this content that I have coming. Please make sure again that you're subscribed. If you're already subscribed, make sure your post notification bell is on, so that whenever I put out all this content, you will be specially notified. Okay, so I just thought that I needed to do this video, to make this video, just so that I don't just come in your faces like, wow, change of scenery. So that is why I thought that this video was very necessary, just out of courtesy for my viewers and my already existing viewers and subscribers. So you guys, yeah, going forward, there's going to be a little addition to the kinds of content you've seen here. Nothing's going to cease completely, only the environment. And yeah, we hope that going forward, the content are going to be more interesting and more enjoyable for you guys, for all of us, all you guys. I am already enjoying editing the series, the videos that is to come. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So guys, I'm so excited to share this beautiful journey with you guys, and I'm sure it's going to inspire a lot of you. It's going to give you guys inspiration of some sort, and I cannot wait to share them. That's it for this video. This is supposed to be a very short and brief video, and yes, thank you so much for watching. Again, subscribe, also hit the notification bell, also give me a thumbs up, also leave me a comment in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. Now going forward, the next couple of videos you're going to be seeing are going to is going to be from my relocation series. Yeah, talk about travel prep, the travel arrival, and all of that. I hope you enjoy it again, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.